I'm recording. We're having our lunch. Ito yung lunch namin. Parang kiwi siya and I forgot the name of this one. And then meron tayong salad, juice. That and chicken. We all have the same. Happy. Where are you going? So finally, nandito na kami sa hotel. Sobrang nakakapagod. Very exhausting.
So what do you think about this hotel? Well, how would you rate it?
Huh?
What do you think that's the balcony on top?
That's their restaurant right there.
My favorite YouTuber,
Mm-hmm.
she made a video that she went to Hong Kong.
And okay, nandito kami guys. Yan. Maganda yung carpet dito. Yan. Grabe, sobrang nakakapagod. Hindi ako nakapag-film masyado kasi masakit masyado yung ulo ko. 2 days before our flight. Yes, Rachel, until now, meron pa akong ano, napifeel ko pa yung pressure dito. Yung ano, increased intracranial pressure. Sakit, kaayo. Ay, nako. Pero thank you, Lord, na anami diri. Ando na si Rachel, guys. Oh, grabe na yung explore. Lipay, kaayo siya. I just really hope that mag-enjoy siya dito. Nak! Ay, intaon anak. Pinangga intaon ka na ako, ha? Pinangga kasi mong daddy. Sus mio. Halika dito. We don't want you to get in trouble.
Order some cake or something.
So, nandito kami sa taas, guys. Ayan. Yan yung makikita mo sa ibaba. So, that's it. Okay. So, nandito na tayo sa room namin, guys. Ayan. Diretso na tayo. This is the entrance. Okay, ayan. And then, makikita mo itong safe dito na side sa left. Meron tayo ditong camera cabinet at saka may mga hanger. Yan. Tapos meron tayo ditong bag for the laundry. Yan. Ito yung form. Kung gusto ninyong magpalaba. Ito. And then there are 2 slippers that you can use. Of course, madaling masira. Ito na yung kanilang bathroom dito, guys. Oh, let's see kung malinis. I didn't open that one yet. Okay lang. At least mabango siya. Again, mabango. Hindi siya may amoy. And we have this. That one is the one who's taking the video. Charot. Tapos meron tayo ditong toilet paper. Ayan, tissue. And then basurahan para sa trash natin. And then we have our hair blower. Pero tayo cute na cute dito na hand soap. Yan, may 2 cups tayo if you want to drink or if you want to brush your teeth. You can use that. We have this very cute, this whole body mirror. Charot, para makapag, tayo dito, selfie. Ganyan, okay?
Okay, so let me show you guys. So these are our water. And this is the glasses if you want to drink vanilla. And then wait. This area, this is coffee powder. This is like, this is tea. This is like, this is creamer. This is another creamer. This is white sugar.
And this one.
And that's Kittle. I'm sure the views already.
After that, oh, they also have these two.
These two caps. I'm sure everybody knows this.
Yeah, we're done. We're done over there already. Let's go further here. Let's go
This is
forward.
what I'm taking to the Philippines like before.
But we're already in the Philippines.
I mean, Jensen.
Okay, what's this?
Oh,
Oh, good. What's that? Is that a safe or a refrigerator? It looks like a small refrigerator
it's
for
so
our water.
cute.
Mm-hmm.
It's so cute though.
Mm-hmm. What's next, Rachel? We have this.
So you have this. This is called the strap holder. That's
Like a
when
rack?
you have-
Yeah, where we can put our luggages, I guess.
This is the most unique and
Take a video of me.
elegant
Put my glasses on.
opening.
Like, I just want to check this out menu over here. The menu looks pretty good, you know. We definitely have breakfast in the morning for tomorrow because we pay for it, and next day. And then they also have the up to 10. Let me see, available breakfast service from 11 a.m. to 10:30 p.m. So we can actually order food downstairs.
That's good.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
Okay, so you want to finish the room tour, Daddy? We're already done.
yeah.
Okay.
I didn't.
Okay, both of you.
So you gonna give us
So anyways, this is the most elegant and unique opening
right.
of the drawer.
Mm-hmm.
There's nothing in there, so that's where you can keep your stuff.
Okay, you can put some, clothes in there, underwears in that.
And then let me show you this. Oh, there's a Bible here.
Mm-hmm.
And
KJV.
no, it's
Call it NIV or something.
Mm-hmm.
so anyways, in the back.
We're done
I know
already
you
over
guys
there.
can tell, but there's some
Okay,
stuff.
so this is our telephone here.
Don't put them on your bed.
And then
because
these are
I
our
know they
two
tired,
beds.
they wanna lay down.
Ayan, ito lang ang aming bed. Maliit lang siya, pero okay lang. Yan, malinis as long as malinis yung kwarto. Hindi naman kami super kalakihan ni Habi. Yan, and then ito ang ating bangko, dalawa. We might request one extra chair from the desk. Yan. So, dito tayo mag-breakfast if you want. See, and then meron pa tayo ditong extra table is our office chair. This is our photo right here. And this is it. And this is my bana, of course. Right? Okay.
I feel a
Yeah.
little bit down too.
Alright, that's it muna guys sa ating video. Thank you so much for watching. At least nandito na kami. Sulit ang biyahe. Yan, kahit pagod and sakit sa ulo. But the good thing is, nandito na kami. Right, Daddy?